Hello, I'm Nikki from My Favorites, and today I'm going to show you how to apply your vinyl decals onto your balloons. All right, the first thing you want to do is inflate your balloon with helium or air. And in this demonstration, I'm going to do air. Air is not going to allow this balloon to float, but helium will. So it will be the same concept for helium or air. Once you have inflated your balloon, normally you're going to have a front and a back side. The back side is going to show mainly the barcode. And then the front, is where you can apply the label. So we're going to apply the label on the front where the barcode is not visible. So what you're going to need is some type of craft knife, or for me, I like to use scalpels. And this would be our 5.5-inch label. You can custom design your labels with your name or no name. All right, so basically what I'm doing is peeling the backing from the label, and then I'm going to go ahead and peel. If while peeling your letters come apart, just go ahead and apply your sticker back down, and because you want to make sure all your letters are on the tape. All right, so this is the back because of the barcode, and then this is the front. So what I'm going to do is basically apply my sticker. I'm going to rub down. You want to make sure that it's not bulging or bending. Okay, and then once you have it down on the balloon, you want to go ahead and slowly peel. And let's do it from left to right. All right, so lift up. And this is where you may need to have your scalpel or craft knife, but be careful not to pop or puncture the balloon. So just so that you can grab it, and then you want to peel. If you find your letters coming up, just put back down and just rub some more. Okay, put it back down, rub some more. And if you find it still sticking to the balloon, what you want to do is grab your craft knife and help it down. Okay, peel some more. Rub down. And if it's still, grab your craft knife and just guide it down. Just be careful not to pop the balloon or puncture it. All right, so if you see some air bubble, just rub it down. All right, so this is how you would apply your decal to your balloon. And I have some stickers here. Let me go ahead and grab one to show you how that is done. Grab my craft knife, and all I'm doing is lifting up on the decal, and you're going to want to hold it, because of course you want to make sure your balloon is filled with helium first, okay? And then apply your sticker. Okay, let me see if I can. All right, let me try it again. So you get your sticker and apply it. All right, press it down. The same thing, if you have air bubbles, rub it down. Right here, her her ponytail is bent, so what I'm gonna do is just lift up on it, reposition it, and put it back down. And there you have it. We sell our Valley Girl vinyl stickers in all colors. You can customize it with the name. And in my next demonstration, I'm going to show you how to apply our Valley Girls and Boys stickers to your custom plates and napkins. All right, have black, light pink, hot pink, magenta. All right, so in our next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to apply your vinyl stickers to your plates, napkins, and cups. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss that video.